I'm not good at making characters moving in story. How can I make them feel move alive? That easy! Just use this! Hey yo, welcome to my Atelier! Me is your manga teacher, Eva Eilish, creator type Vtuber. Last lesson, we learned tips to make unique characters. Today, we teach you how to make characters feel alive. Let's practice manga skill together. Kirit, Re, Jakusei. We learn about characters' personality, what they think, how they act, how they talk. If you don't understand those things, it's hard to make your characters live in your story. Then, how can you understand your characters? Simulate inside your head. Think about them a lot. Those are half right. But if only simulate inside head, your ideas become hard. Then you can't easily find new side of your characters. That's why me use Tarariratira Chat AI. With Chat AI, you can talk with your characters and know them better. Make your character in Chat AI, then talk a lot. When you understand your characters, they start moving alive in your story. But characters not complete in one time. When talking with AI, maybe your character says something different from your image. But maybe it is funny. Maybe it is interesting. If you add those things, your character become more unique, more fun, and more charming. That's great. I try it right now. I learn story making and unique characters. Next, I want to learn how to draw manga. Of course. Next lesson, me teach you what to prepare before drawing manga. Thank you for watching. Me is happy if we meet again next month too. ありがとうございました。See ya!